Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Ginataang Puso ng Saging with Munggo. Yes, that's right. So this Ginataang Puso ng Saging with Munggo recipe is a local dish. And although I grew up eating this recipe, I still have to ask my mother for the complete recipe details. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. So if this is something that you wanted to learn, please keep on watching. Here are the ingredients that you need. Puso ng saging, munggo, unripe papaya, shrimps, coconut milk, saluyot, onion, and garlic. hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. And for any comments, suggestions, or any recommendations, please leave a comment below and I'd be happy to check them out. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And if you wanted to check out Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will add their link on this video description as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.